Today you had your dinner, or today also you had some colleagues with you?
Just 1 minute ago.
Okay, okay.
I'm
You
not.
you plan things
Yeah,
you plan things in such a way that they get over at the that specific time only, right?
yeah.
Okay,
And
okay.
how are you?
I'm good. How was your day?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. A busy day or a relaxing day?
Mm, yeah, a little bit busy. Not
Okay, okay.
today was not that kind of work over there. But 2 p.m. onwards, you can say it was busy. 2 p.m. to 7:30.
Okay, okay.
It was busy. And
And so tell me something, yeah, go on.
no, no, you were telling something.
No, you were saying about the languages. I want to know.
Oh yeah, and I had that kind of knowledge that I made some mistakes in Hindi also. Like whatever I said to earlier, like the gender वो था कि उसमें थोड़ा problem होता है. Otherwise, I'm quite good, because I
Yeah.
have clients who are from Delhi, who are from here.
So you have to communicate with them in Hindi.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. See, Amiji, whenever you are saying about something which you tend to make generally, like always, instead of the past tense, you should use simple present. Like you told me that you have this knowledge that you make mistakes while speaking Hindi. So you use the word made. Instead of made, you should say make, okay? Because you always make this kind of mistake.
Generally.
Okay? Yeah, whenever we are talking about general things, you should use simple present tense.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now I am feeling that my start, my class has been started.
Yeah, yeah. Because now I have started to correct you.
Yeah,
Yeah. Earlier we were so lost in our own talks about drawings, about our hobbies, and now the actual classes have begun.
yeah. I want to learn.
I hope you don't mind if I correct you.
No. I told you earlier day in our earlier session. Yeah, in our conversation, whenever we start our conversation, you can correct me. And
Okay.
whenever I made some mistakes in our conversation, you can.
Okay, okay. Okay, so do you have any topic which you would want to discuss with me? Any incident, or shall we proceed with the allotted topic to us, like deforestation?
No problem. Yeah, no problem. You can go for deforestation, but I haven't looked whatever topic for the day sent by Vikas to me. But we can.
Even I didn't get time. Even I didn't get time to look at the questions because I just looked at the name of the PDF and like it is a general topic, so we can frame questions on our own.
But
But if you want to talk about some, yeah,
I, no. I'm telling one thing. I am that kind of person. I like to talk any kind of topic without having any knowledge.
right.
When I have that intention to go through all this kind of PDF file, then I must have some knowledge about this kind of topic. I want to create anything new. That's why I usually not that kind of intention to look whatever they send or whatever because sent to me.
Okay, okay, okay. So you want to talk, you want to have random talks regarding that topic, right?
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
instantly, whatever comes to your mind, whatever clicks to your mind at that moment, you want to speak that.
And
Okay.
you can ask regarding this kind of any kind of question, and I will try to satisfy to you.
And do you know what we call this thing, this practice as? when we don't know any knowledge, when we don't have any knowledge about that topic, and we are speaking on it on the spot, this is called as extempore.
I know.
Okay, okay, okay. That's good. Okay, so shall we proceed with this topic or some other topic? Tell me.
No problem. You can.
Okay, okay. So tell me, like, as soon as this word deforestation comes into your mind, or as soon as you hear this word, what is the image? What is the, imaginary thoughts which you have in your mind? Like, if I say this word deforestation, what instantly comes to your mind? Just speak a few sentences about that. Try to speak as much as possible so that I can, observe your mistakes and correct you.
Yeah. Well. Uh, Whenever we saw this kind of the word deforestation, I'd like to say deforestation means nowadays all the people they are try to cut all the forests for their uh, vegetation for their living purpose. Um,
Their personal use, basically.
yeah, other personal use, and it will after cutting this kind of forest, it will it will be affected a lot to the earth because after deforestation uh, we'll face the kind of problem like the lack of oxygen, lack of
Right,
greenery, yeah, and lack of rain.
right, right. I was
Because yeah,
about to say,
yeah, forest helps us for this kind of formation to rain.
right. It disturbs the water cycle.
Yeah, yeah, because like from the earth they just through their roots a little bit of water is coming to the leaf like they are for the purpose of feeding and there some yeah pores some pores over there. Yeah, we are going to the scientific way, yeah, but this is the way usually forests do this kind of way, and from those kind of way we can usually get rains.
Right,
Yeah, and it will be affected, the recycle system, you can say.
right, right. So it affects, like, in short, it affects human beings as well, nature as well, and obviously the animals. It is affecting everybody.
Yeah, yeah. Obviously, animals. We can, if you went through this kind of earlier incident after deforestation or after any kind of, uh, what we will call the, the आग लगना बीच बीच में आग लगा देता है ना आदमी
Uh,
जल जाता
speak
है
the whole
पूरा
sentence.
और बीच बीच में आदमी आग लगा देता है ना पूरा फर्श जल जाता है पूरा
Wildfire.
yeah wildfire yeah but wild wildfire fireworks and through this kind of way uh, the animal had been affected all the animals have been affected who were living
Right.
yeah
And
that's it.
also the people nearby who are dependent on forests, whose work is related to forest, they have, adverse effects on their income, on their source of income is lost because of deforestation.
Yeah, yeah, obviously.
Right.
how
Okay.
I made,
So see, yeah.
how many mistakes I made.
Yeah, I was about to say that. I was about to correct you. See, when you use this sentence, it will be affected. You are talking about again. You are talking about general thing. Like, if we cut forest, it will affect. It will affect the nature, the human beings, the animals. So instead of saying it will be affected, you should say it will affect. Okay? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
And
Got it.
this was the and in the starting you said whenever we saw. No, you should say whenever we see, because this is again a general thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So now tell me, how can you contribute as a citizen of Earth, as a habitat of Earth? How can you contribute to avoiding deforestation? How can you persuade people to stop this practice of cutting down forests and plant more trees? How can you make an impact on people for a good cause?
Yeah. Well, I first of all, I want to say that uh, there are so many departments, like the forest departments and other departments also. Uh, they have that kind of rules and regulations not to cut down this kind of forests without any kind of information to their departments, concerned departments. And apart from that, we can do one thing: more plantation for saving the this kind of forest. Yeah. I thought I would like to say another thing over there. Mm, it should be in our syllabus.
Right.
Like students have this kind of knowledge, how they will be affected by this kind of deforestation. So
Okay.
that they have that kind of intention to plant um more plantation
Plant
for the,
more.
plant more for that to save their earth
Yeah.
and for their betterment as well.
Right. Right. And
Future
I
bet- I'll take one word for their future betterment as well.
right, right. Because if there is no oxygen, then there will be no human being.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah. And I feel that this should be like we have games period or music class every week in school. There should be this, environment period also, environmental science, actual practical environmental science period also, where teachers take students to forest areas or some barren lands and try to, uh, improve the yield of the forest. Try to make students do something good for the forest, good for the nature. Like sometimes they can just go and feed animals in the these village areas, and sometimes they can just go and plant trees, or sometimes they can just go and look after the trees they have already planted. So such type of activities should be included in the curriculum of the school.
Then I would like to add one more thing.
Yeah.
The forest department should have one particular rules over there. All the businessmen, like, they shouldn't uh, buy this kind of forest by anyway, by hook or crook,
They should not.
by
Okay, okay, all right.
the forest land.
Right, right, right. Yes,
So
there should be this rule.
yeah, after buying this kind of land, they build
Construct
a,
bit.
yeah, nearby the forest, so that this will affect the forest animals as well, the forest also, all the trees also.
Right, right. But don't you feel that if, like, though this thing is, immoral, it should be banned, but there is this need also of deforestation due to the increasing population in India, or if we consider this thing just restricted to India. So the growing population is needing, a lot of land for the cultivation and for the living purpose. So how can we, maintain that balance? That people get the place to live also, and the forests are also not destroyed. How can we maintain this balance? Do you have any idea?
Yeah. Well, uh, I thought one thing, the government should have this kind of rules over there, or it should, it should be passed by the government, like the, population, the control over the population.
Sorry, please repeat.
Government must should first one, rules over the population, because it should be like that. One people have one or two child, two children only.
Yeah,
We can control this kind of way if we obtain.
right,
Otherwise, one people and he have, 7, 8, 9, 10 children. Like
right,
we can control. It comes suddenly in my.
right. And recently, I think some of the state government has launched this policy also. I'm not able to recall the name of the state,
Me
but
to the.
these
I
policies,
also the same thing. I didn't recollect the exact state's name.
right? I think it's Uttarakhand. No, no, not it's Uttarakhand. I'm not able to recall that state's name right now.
I heard the news. I heard the news.
Even I heard the news, but right now I'm not able to recall the name of that state.
Yeah, that's it. We can.
Haryana, Haryana, I
Yeah,
think.
no, I am telling you one thing. Just see, without having any kind of knowledge, we can talk.
Yes, yes, yes.
I usually not go through the session document.
Right. I had one learner. What she told me was that whenever she gets a topic, if she looks at the questions and she's not able to frame answers on her own, then she goes and Google searches the answer. This is a natural habit of human beings. If they don't know something, they'll go and try it searching on internet. So she was also like, if I'm searching answers on internet and then telling to you in the session, then it's of no use. These sessions are of no use if you grab answers from somewhere else and then say it in front of me. So this is the best way. Like just look at the topic and whatever knowledge you have, just to speak about that.
Let's
And
see.
if
Just see. We are after conversing each other. I you know I thought some points, and I can intend to tell something to you, and you also the same thing. You are doing the same thing. You also recollect some incident, whatever I heard or I saw in earlier days, relating
right,
to this kind of topic. Yeah, that's the way.
right,
That's why it's this kind of way. Our thought process growing better in better way, growing up.
yeah, right. And if you speak your thoughts naturally, like in a random manner, then this is a possibility that you will use basic words. So I can help you, like any tutor can help you replace those basic words with advanced words. And if you search answers on Google, then you will use some flashy language, which is of no use, which you will forget in a day or two.
Yeah.
This happens. Do you also feel like if we cheat in an exam, then the answer that we cheat, we always retain that in our mind. It is always retained in our mind. And the answers we already know, we tend to forget that. Like
Yeah.
this answer I cheated from my friend, or somebody. If someone corrects you, then it stays in your mind forever.
Yeah, and not only that, when you had cheated something, after a while, I don't know, you one day you felt like that. Yeah, it's not, it shouldn't do.
Right, right, right. We get that feeling from within that we shouldn't do this thing.
Yeah,